Boom, guys. Some nice sea crabs, which I'm going to clean. And some nice prawns. Crab. Oh, we're marinating now. Fresh ginger and garlic you got, ne? What do you put in? Put a little bit cinnamon and dhania powder.
Cinnamon
And ginger powder you got, ne? You added this. Okay. A little bit cinnamon. We use some Kashmiri spice, chili powder.
Put that lemon pepper, not black pepper.
No, put black pepper. Baby.
No, this is nice. It's for fish. It's lemon pepper. It's like black pepper but for fish.
Okay, whatever you. Give me 1 spoon, mix it and let me get the lemon juice. Lemon juice. Let's see. We're marinating the crab for tomorrow. So guys, we have marinated the crab and we're gonna leave it overnight.
The best way is a plastic.
Yeah, you guys, now we're gonna put the prawns in the same bowl and marinate here. Yep.
Powder.
A little bit onion powder. Okay guys, we're gonna just cover them up and we will see you all tomorrow when we're making this delicious. No, the wife's saying I must make some space now. Here's the marinated crab. These are the spices I'm gonna use to make the crab curry. It's a whole consignment of them. Curry leaf, coriander, onion. We got mustard seeds, cumin, cloves. Where's the methi seeds? Eh? I'm getting some methi seeds. I got Kashmiri spice, chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, garlic, chilies, green chilies, red chilies, cinnamon sticks, star anise, salt. So guys, let's start doing our thing here. We'll fry the crab for a while. Rice cooking here. And also the prawns will do it after. It's a nice day in Ficksburg and we are watching some King's Plate races. King's Plate, Ficksburg's gonna run just now. Beautiful day in Ficksburg. Summer's day. Yeah, you can see that. A nice summer's day. so high. This pot is a very high pot. I'm just gonna hypothesize it on these guys. So this is a marinated crab. It looks intense, huh? From last night. Now we're gonna let it fry for like about 10-15 minutes. And then also be using tamarind. Okay guys, as you can see, I have taken the crab out, nice and fried. Now I'm making the sauce. Now I'm braising everything. Onions, garlic. Add the slice of this now. Beautiful, eh? Okay. That smell. Guys, now we added the blended tomatoes. Okay guys, now we're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes or so before we can add the crab back in. Okay, now we're gonna add the crab back in. It up well. As you can see, the gravy is looking great. So now we're going to let it simmer on medium heat for almost 35-40 minutes. And I need to get my gardener to come cut the grass here. All the rain we had, the grass grew very quickly. Yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, looking great. Okay guys, now it has been like around 35 minutes and this is what it's looking like. As you can see. 4. Okay guys, this is the first batch of prawns we are frying for about 5 minutes. Let's take out the first batch. We'll do the second batch. That's the rest, yeah. Joe? But I put it in. We're going to turn it around so it can dry. I'm going to use the marinade. No? Okay guys, this is the second batch. I'm ready to fry. About 1 to 2 minutes. And that's the first batch. And we're going to cook it in that pot. We added curry leaf, jeera seed and mustard seeds at the moment. Get that piece of it out. Okay, these are the spices we put here. What we got here is turmeric, onion powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri spice. We didn't add any chili powder because we don't want it to be too hot. Yeah, these are the spices, friends. So guys, we just want the onions to brown out. And then we will do the rest. We added all the different spices in here. This will let it cook for about 2-3 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients. So guys, it's cooking now on medium heat for about 20 minutes. And then we will mash it up. Cook out. And Joesh's prawns. That's Joesh, my son's prawns. And our crab.